Today I'm going to show you how you can start dropshipping with $0, and I'm going to show you 3 simple steps so you can start today and scale up your dropshipping stores to well over 6 figures. So make sure you watch this video till the very end because each step is vital, and trust me, you don't want to miss anything. So let's go straight on to step number 1. Now step number 1 involves finding your winning product. Now there are many paid routes to do this by using ad spy tools like Shop Hunter, but again I'm going to show you a free way to do this. So the way we're going to do this is by using TikTok. Now TikTok is an amazing platform to help you find your winning products. So firstly, what you're going to do is create a brand new TikTok account, and once you've created an account, all you now need to do is watch videos around dropshipping products, and make sure you skip the videos which aren't relevant. What this is going to do is train the algorithm to only show you dropshipping products. This is very important because once you've trained the algorithm, it's now just a case of scrolling until you find a product. But how do you know if the product is a winning product? Well, it has to hit 3 categories. Firstly, the video should have a lot of views. If it has a lot of views, it shows that people like the product or were interested by it, which is why the TikTok algorithm promoted it to a lot of people. Secondly, you have to check the comments, and people commenting things like I want it, I need it, or I really have to get this. Comments like this show validation that the audience that watched the video are looking to purchase it. Now the final thing that you need to check is if the product matches the season. For example, let's say you stumble across a heated jacket. This was one of my dropshipping products which I actually made 5 figures on. Now if it's summertime like June, July or August, you know it's not going to sell well, as people aren't looking for heated jackets in the summer. They should be looking for this in the winter. So you need to check, can this be sold now? You can also use tools like Google Trends to validate your product by seeing if people are searching similar terms around your product. Now once you have found your winning product, you need to find a supplier who will ship your products to your customer for the best possible price, leaving you with higher profits. Now when people usually sell online or do drop shipping, they use AliExpress to find and deliver their products to their customer. The problem with this is that they take super long to deliver and prices are usually higher, and other platforms use different sourcing agents that usually charge a monthly subscription. Some charge as low as $30 to as high as $90 a month just to search for products, offering very little value for money for this monthly fee. However, what if there was a dropshipping supplier whose platform was completely free of charge to use? What if your customers' orders can be delivered in 6 to 10 days rather than 14 to 18 days or even sometimes a month? What if I told you by all means this is possible, only by using a company called DROPSURE? Now keep watching because I'll explain how amazing this supplier is, because DROPSURE offers its services to its customers completely free of cost, and they have a bunch of features too. They have lower prices than AliExpress and other platforms like ZenDrop and CJ Dropshipping. This means that your profit margins will be higher, which will mean that you make much higher profits. Fastest delivery time, so your customer doesn't have to wait long to get their package. 24/7 support, so whenever you need something, they are always available. They recommend winning products based on data and offer the lowest quotes around, so you can always be sure to maximize profits. Automated and real-time inventory, easy store integration, and again, it is completely free. These are the suppliers I have used for multiple of my dropshipping stores, where I have managed to make over 5 figures. Genuinely an amazing supplier. So this is their website, and you just sign up by clicking here. Once you sign up, you can link your Shopify store by pasting the link of your store over here. Now this is your dashboard, so you can track everything. If we click here, you can source products. All you have to do is paste in the link of the product from AliExpress. Now on this tab, you'll find different types of winning products. So I'll just scroll down and you can see there are a ton of winning products which you can find completely for free. And finally, this is your orders tab. So any orders that you made will show up here. So overall, I'd really recommend to use DROPSURE. It's a fantastic free supplier that can make your dropshipping extremely easy. So make sure you click my link in the description and sign up to DROPSURE today. Now once you have your winning product and supplier, you then need to create a store around your product. Now make sure to sign up to Shopify, as it's the best platform to use. Create an account and then build a store around your product. I would recommend here using proven websites to create your design. This will allow you to convert a lot better. So the best way to do this is to look for stores that are selling the same product. You can do this by searching the product on TikTok, find profiles who have made videos around the product, and finding the link on their bio and going on their website. And I'd always recommend to click on the videos with the most views, as they're most likely to have the best websites helping them to convert. And then you need to look at the website, and what you're looking for is a simple modern design. You can see, for example, on here, it's an amazing design. It also has some GIFs here, which in my opinion makes a huge difference, and it has some information showcased in a very visually appealing way. Now once you find the website that ticks all the boxes, you are then going to replicate the design of that store, but also make it slightly better. Now I am going to make a full video on how to create your Shopify store, so make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you're alerted when I post that video. Now the final thing that you need to do is get traffic onto your store. Now you could do this in numerous ways. You can either create ads. However, creating ads is arguably the hardest thing to do because it's usually trial and error. And when creating ads, you need to be able to lose some money so you can test which ad set works the best, which you can then focus on and scale that ad set. However, as we're talking about starting dropshipping with $0, the best way for you to do this is order the product and create viral videos around it. Now creating viral videos around the product might not be as hard hard as you think. The best way to create viral videos around your product is to take inspiration from other videos that have gone viral. For example, if you see a video that's gone viral and the framework is good, all you then need to do is copy that framework and make it your own. So what you need to do is create a TikTok account around your store, put the website link in your bio, post that video, and if the video goes viral, you will get a lot of traffic onto your store. You can then convert this traffic into profits. Now, I might make a full video on how you can do this the organic way and how you can actually make viral videos completely for free. So if you do want to watch that video, make sure you leave it down in the comments below. And I'll also be releasing a full TikTok ad strategy, which I will be posting on my Discord group called the Ultimate Wealth Circle. The Ultimate Wealth Circle is a group designed for like-minded people who are looking to make money online as well as network with other high-level individuals. It's completely free for a limited time, so make sure you join now by clicking the link in the description. And if you are looking for a low-budget TikTok ad strategy, well, make sure you click somewhere on the screen and I'll see you guys there.